Hello student, myself Jaimin Patel from Electrical Engineering Department. Today we learn the subject electrical power generation and the topic is solar power plant. Let's see the content. First one, types of solar PV power plant. Second, advantages of solar power plant. And third, disadvantages of solar power plant. Let's discuss the types of solar PV power plant. In that first one, stand-alone solar PV power plant. Here you can see the schematic arrangement and line diagram of such type of power plant. In this power plant, the solar radiation is converted into electrical energy in the DC form by the solar arrays. The DC power is supplied directly to the load if the load is DC type. When the load is AC type, DC is converted into single phase AC or three phase AC with the help of static inverters, and the AC power is fed to the load. During the daytime, along with supplying power to the load, the batteries are charged through the charge regulator circuit. A reverse blocking diode is connected between the solar cells and the batteries. This prevents the discharging of batteries through the solar cells during the night when there is no sunlight. This plant is used for remote places where it is not easy or costly to supply power. This plant is used for meteorological stations, relay stations of radio, TV lighthouse, etc. Second, grid interactive solar PV power plant. Here you can see the schematic arrangement and line diagram of such type of power plant. In this type of power plant, DC power is produced by the solar PV system and it is converted to three-phase AC with the help of static inverters. The AC power is fed into the grid system. There are some difficulties in this type of power plant to synchronize with the grid. First problem is the waveform of AC voltage from the inverter should be pure sine wave. Second, it must be possible to change the magnitude of AC voltage. For this, voltage regulating equipment should be employed. Third one, the frequency of AC should be equal to the frequency of the grid system and it should be possible to adjust the frequency. Fourth one, synchronizing arrangement is required to connect the grid with the solar system. Solar energy is converted into electrical energy in the DC form. Storage batteries are charged through the diode and the charge regulating circuit. Static inverter converts the DC supply into three-phase AC supply. The system is synchronized to the grid system with the help of synchronizing arrangement. Third one, hybrid solar PV power plant. Here you can see the schematic arrangement and the line diagram of such type of power plant. In this power plant, diesel generator set is used with the solar power plant. The solar system can give power only during daytime. Diesel generator is used to generate the power during the night period. So such system is called the hybrid system. Solar energy is converted into electrical energy by the solar PV system during the daytime. The batteries are charged through the reverse blocking diode and the charge regulating circuit. DC is converted into three-phase or single-phase AC with the help of inverters. AC is fed to the load. During the absence of the sunlight, the system continues the supply, the power, but when the capacity of the battery to supply power reduces, the diesel generator is run and the power supply is continued. Use of batteries can be omitted as the diesel set is used. Let's discuss the advantages of solar power plant. First one, the energy is available free of cost. Second, the source of energy is in exhaustive form. Third one, maintenance cost of solar energy power plant is relatively less. Fourth one, plant can be installed at the place of utilization. Fifth one, there is no pollution of atmosphere. Sixth one, solar power plant can be installed at the place where the electrical energy cannot be supplied by other means of. Let's discuss the disadvantages of solar power plant. So first one, The plant can be installed only at the place where the sunlight is available throughout the year. Second, it is necessary to use the energy storage device as the solar energy is not available during the night period. Third one, it requires large space. And fourth one, initial cost is very high. Let's see the assignment questions. First one, explain stand-alone solar PV plant with diagram. Second, draw and explain grid interactive solar PV power plant. Third one, explain hybrid solar power plant with diagram. And fourth one, write down the advantages and disadvantages of solar power plant. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJPEC-ELE, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.